Hi guys, today we'll be making a snack bowl. I have this cracker here and I have the arrowroot cracker here, this social tea cracker. I have some cheese for the snack bowl, and then I got some strawberry, some apple, and some blueberry. Guys, so now I'm taking the cracker, put it in here. This is the arrow one. I'm gonna put it in. This is this cracker. I'm gonna be using it here to put the cheese on. I'm gonna be putting the cheese in it. Cutting the cheese here. Cut the cheese. The cheese is cut, as you can see. We're gonna be putting it in the cracker. 2 pieces of cheese to slide. Like you're gonna make it like a sandwich here. There we go. Okay guys, look at how the cracker sandwich look like. Very beautiful. And we're gonna take it from here to here. We put it in here. This is how it looks like, guys. Very nice, very beautiful. So this is the cracker, the social tea cracker. We're gonna be putting it in here. You see? And here, very organized. Look at how it looks. Really organized, really nice. This is this one, how it looks, the snack bowl. That's really nice. And then we're gonna do the fruits now. And now we're washing our apple. Washing it, take it downward before we cut it. Strawberry onion. Just wash it really good before we cut them. I don't put baking soda in mine. If you guys washing them, you want to put baking soda, you can, but I just wash them like that. Just washing the blueberry. Okay guys, so this is where the fruit is. I put it on the cutting board, and now we're gonna be putting it in the bowl.